Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a purchase or pass video. This is where I go over to TRENDMOOD's Instagram. I will leave her links down below, and I go through all the new releases. Either they have just released or are about to release, and I'm going to let you guys know my thoughts on them. Am I going to pick it up? Am I going to pass on it? Or am I kind of in between and I'm not sure yet? And also, just a little side note, if you're curious about this eye look, I have it already up, so I will leave that link down below as well. Now let me go ahead and jump on TRENDMOOD's Instagram. The very first product is from Viseart, and I can't even see the entire palette, but I can already tell you with 100% certainty, yes, I am going to get this. This is the Neutral Matte 2 palette. I am excited for this. I love their matte formula so much, and I am on their PR list, but I don't always get everything, so I'll probably grab this just in case I don't get it. But it comes out August 3rd at the makeup show, and then August 5th, my birthday, on Muse Beauty Pro. So 100% birthday gift to myself. I am grabbing this. I already love the colors in here, the ones that I can even see. It's got those corals and the watermelon type of shades in there. I'm feeling it. I am feeling it. So I'm excited about this. I had not even seen this until I opened up Instagram right now to do this video. So I'm hyped already. It looks like we are already getting sneak peeks from the MAC holiday collections. This is Holidays 2019 Stars and Glitter. This lipstick looks really cool. I have no idea what the other thing is right beside it. Maybe a lip scrub. I'm not sure, but this lipstick I probably won't put on my lips. However, I have a thing for stars. I have them tattooed on the side of my face. I have a star underneath my wedding band right here. I have them everywhere. I don't even know how many stars I have tattooed on my body, but I am getting this lipstick just for pure, I want it. This is brand new from TATCHA. It is the Silk Peony Eye Cream. Now, I saw this last night as a 24 app early access, but it is available now. I am definitely going to try this out, but I'm going to wait until I've completely gone through my eye cream that I'm using right now from Belief, just because I don't want to have multiple items, because I am tempted to try things and I have more than one thing open, but I am definitely going to give this a shot. TATCHA Skincare and me, we get along really, really well. Now we're going back to MAC and all of these lipstick. Does it say how many? 24 different lipsticks, and this is the MAC Love Me lipstick collection, and it has a satin soft cream finish, $19 each. This just released, and I think that I'm going to hold out on these. I don't know about the new formula, so this is something that I kind of want to go into store and swatch and see if there's colors that I really need. I can tell you I definitely have every single one of these colors, but I'm not opposed to buying new lipsticks by any means at all. It's just that the last formula that MAC released I wasn't a huge fan of, so I kind of want to wait. I was looking at the description and it says something about waxes, and if a lipstick has too many of those kind of waxes in there, I don't like the way they feel. So I'm going to wait and see how the texture of these are in store. This is available now from ColourPop, the Strawberry Collection, and there's quite a few different things in here, but usually I'm most drawn to the palette, and it's the Strawberry Shake palette. It's $12. They've been doing this thing where they do like it's just a monochromatic palette for just different colors. Not really feeling this one. I feel like kind of have these colors several times over, even in some of my ColourPop palettes. So this I'm going to sit out, and I'm going to sit out on the entire collection. But if you're curious about it, it has the Strawberries and Cream Blush Stick Duo, the Pressed Powder Blush, the Jelly Much Eyeshadows, Ultra Glossy Lips. We've got So Fresh, So Clean Strawberry Face Milk, Strawberry Seed Oil, and a lippy scrub. So there's a lot of different things, but I'm just not really interested in this collection. Now this I am definitely excited about. So I have no idea when this is going to be coming out, but Fenty Beauty is coming out with a whole new range of foundations, and there's 50 shades. It's the Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation. I am definitely going to try this out. There's a Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. I haven't decided on that one yet if I feel like trying it out, but there's also a Kabuki Buff foundation brush. I'm not going to grab that. And there's also blush duos that I am so excited for. The colors of these look stunning. I am all about some new blushes here recently, so I'm extremely excited to try out her version because I have really liked her powder products, so I have a feeling that these are just going to be good. So I'm definitely going to try out the foundation, definitely going to try out the blush, and it's possible that I will try out the primer, just not certain about it yet. Here we have the newest collaboration with Juvia's Place and FUMI. This is actually what I have on my eyes right now. This palette is beautiful, you guys. I'm going to show it to you right now. I'm just going to show it to you. This is stunning. It's beautiful and it performs. Oh, I love this. So definitely check that out. If you are interested in it, definitely go check it out. But it also has 2 glosses in there as well as a makeup bag. I don't have those, but I do have the palette and that's available now. And you can use TRENDMOOD for 10% off. I like almost lost my train of thought there. More holiday sneak peeks. This is from Too Faced. Gingerbread again. This says available September 22nd online. Okay, what does it say? Gingerbread bronzer and lipstick set. I am not going to purchase this. This bronzer definitely looks deeper than what would work for my skin tone, but I think it's amazing that Too Faced finally did something that is darker. And then the lipstick, it looks like, if I'm reading this correctly, that this comes in a set. So if I'm not going to get the set, then I'm not going to get the lipstick, but whatever. And you can also get the Gingerbread Man limited edition makeup bag. I'm going to skip on that. This is going to drop the day before my birthday, and it's from Anastasia Beverly Hills. They're finally releasing a liquid foundation, and it's supposed to be dewy. 50 different shades. Definitely here for this. I'm definitely going to try this out. Again, I am on the Anastasia PR list, so I should be getting this. And if I don't, then that's cool. I'll still just buy it. This is awesome. The shade range looks great. So yes, I am definitely going to be trying this out. It feels like all there is foundations coming out right now, but I mean, I'm okay with it. It's like whatever. As long as my skin doesn't freak out, we're cool. And on top of that, they are releasing loose powders. This is formulated without gluten and oil, and it is going to be $36. There's 5 shades, translucent for everyone, vanilla for fair to light, banana medium to deep, deep peach, which is for medium to deep, and then golden orange deep. And I will definitely want to try that in conjunction with the foundation. This almost got me, you guys. It almost got me, and it still has potential to get me. And this is available now on Nordstrom. It is the Rodin Summer Collection. Now, I missed the last collection. I sat on it, and then I watched Michelle Wong do a video, and I really wanted the highlight, and I was like, no, don't do it. And in this picture, the highlight looks so pretty. And then even the luxury illuminating liquid just looks beautiful. It doesn't look like it has like any shimmer or anything in that, which sometimes on top of my tattoos can look a little strange. So I almost got this the other day, and then I drew back. I feel like I'm going to need to see this highlighter in action, because in the picture it looked lighter, but then when I went on to Nordstrom it looked a little bit darker. So I'm not sure if this is going to work for me or not, but if I see a video somewhere and they're around my skin tone and it works, yeah, I'm probably going to be drawn in. And then we also have other things here like the lipsticks, the Luxury Nourishing Skincare Discovery Set, and a luxury face cream. I'm not really interested in anything other than that illuminating powder and the body oil. So we'll see. Interested, but I have not committed yet. Here we have a new collaboration with Pure and Barbie. At first when I saw this, I was like, I'm gonna skip, but I was just scrolling through these pictures and I'm kind of feeling it a little bit. I'm not going to lie. Okay, this is a big collection, so let me go through it. We have the Endless Possibilities eyeshadow palettes, $34. The packaging on this is beautiful, but then we have the colors inside. This looks pretty. This looks really pretty, you guys. I might have to get this. And then we have the iconic Lip Signature matte lipsticks, $18 each. The packaging, again, oh my gosh, glittery gorgeousness. And then you see the actual colors and you see the glitter on the outside. Beautiful. But then the actual shades, they don't have the glitter like on. You're not gonna have glittery lips, and there's 4 different shades. I think I would probably get the shade Classic, and I probably could deal with just like getting one, but I really just like want all of them. They just look really pretty. Then we have the Girl Gloss Signature High Shine Lip Gloss. I will skip on that. There's also a Dream Glow Signature Highlight Palette. It's not in the picture, so I couldn't tell you if I'm interested or not yet, but I mean, it's a highlighter, so probably. Then we have the Barbie Doll Lash. I don't like this style of lash, so I can skip on it. And the Forever Flawless Signature Complexion Brush, skip on that. Glittery Pink Signature Brightening Peel Off Mask. I'm going to skip on that too, but some of these things I might get, and it comes out August 2nd, which it for me right now is tomorrow, so it should be available for you guys now. Now, I just stumbled across a picture of the Pat McGrath Labs foundation, and I know you guys are waiting for me to review this, but I'm waiting for it to get to my mailbox. So I am so sorry, you guys. I paid for expedited shipping, and it's not here yet. I don't know. I've gotten some emails from Pat, you know, not her herself, but you know, just saying, hey, sorry, we're behind, blah, blah, blah. But I have no idea when I'm going to get it. I have not gotten a shipping confirmation. It's not shown up at my door. I don't know. I have no idea when this is going to happen. Another palette from Natasha Denona. Now, this one is not a mini, but it is one of these small 5-pan palettes, and this is the Coral palette. It's releasing August 3rd, and it's $48. I'm getting it. I have to try it. I love coral shades. I do wish, just by looking at this, that they had changed the last 2 shades to something like more vibrant. Neons are very in right now. If they had done like maybe a really vibrant neon type of coral, I think that would have been so cool. But I'm still going to get this and try it out. I do want to say that the shades remind me a lot of the Sunset palette that we just got, but I'm not going to knock it till I try it. I am definitely going to pick this one up. What I am not going to try from Natasha Denona are 2 new Chroma Crystal Liquid eyeshadows. This is a mini set, and you've got a silver and a black shade in here. They look beautiful, but I have to tell you, the first ones that I got, which aren't these mini ones, they're the full size, they swatch so beautifully, but they're a little harder to use on the eyes. You really have to thin them out, and they still can be kind of crumbly looking. Even though they don't go anywhere, they still can look kind of crumbly. So I'm skipping this just because I wasn't a huge fan of the formula the first go around with the original ones. While I like these shades, it's not worth it to me to purchase them. However, if you are interested, they are available now, and they are $25 for the set on Beautylish. This is available now from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is in addition to the Pillow Talk line. Here we have the Pillow Talk Diamonds, the Celestial Lips mineral-based glitter pigments capture and reflect light for a multi-dimensional glistening pout. These look stunning. I'm not going to lie to you. Like, when I see this in pictures, I always love them, especially the Pillow Talk Diamond color. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous, but I never like them on myself. I'm not a metallic lip kind of girl or a glittery lip kind of girl, so I am not going to pick these up, but I can acknowledge that this looks gorgeous. Both of those colors are stunning, but I'm going to skip these. I'm skipping them. However, I will not be skipping her new foundation. I think I've already talked about this, but just in case I haven't, the Airbrush Flawless Foundation. I am definitely going to try this whenever it releases. All it says is somewhere between August and September, so I have no idea when this is going to come out, but I am definitely going to try it out for you guys. All right, you guys, that is it. Let me know down below what you're excited about, what you're planning on getting, what are you not planning on getting. And again, if you're curious about this eye look, it is linked down below, up yesterday. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.